Mechanics are pulling in billions every year by selling lies that most drivers blindly accept as truth. From the premium fuel con that is stealing $600 annually from your wallet to the fake 30,000-mile service trap that just cost your friend $800 yesterday, these so-called essential maintenance rules are nothing but elaborate schemes to drain your bank account. Stay with me because lie number 5 is the scam that literally every single shop is guilty of pushing. Lie number 20. The scan tool scare tactic. There are mechanics that will plug in a diagnostic tool, print out a whole bunch of error codes, and then make it appear that your car is on the verge of total failure. They will tell you about dire system accidents and insist on costly repairs. However, the reality is that most of those codes do not indicate that your car is at risk. Other times, it can be as easy as a loose gas cap, a temporary sensor malfunction, or even a battery misstep. Modern vehicles have all sorts of sensitive electronics that could indicate warning signs at the smallest occurrences. Think of it as your phone having 10 notifications on it. None of them are all that urgent, but reminding you about something. Mechanics are aware that by throwing around a bunch of terrifying-looking pages of scan reports, you will freak out and pay up on whatever they propose. Reality check. Error codes are mere indications of problems, not conclusive diagnostics. It only takes a minor problem to result in many different codes, making the issue look severer than it should be. Lie number 19. Prepaid maintenance package trap. Dealerships enjoy selling you a 3 to 5 prepaid service package. They will say that they would save you an astronomical amount of money and give them peace of mind. Sounds like a wise business, doesn't it? However, the trick is that much of what they cover is either something that they say you use more frequently than you actually use, or is something that you could get done far cheaper somewhere outside of their company, such as tire rotation, brake inspection, fluid top-offs, and so forth, are simple and low-cost tasks. However, when packed in a glossy finish, it becomes very expensive. They are simply making you pay in advance years to services you may not make use of. Imagine you pay a buffet but only eat one meal. You are not saving money, you are simply giving the buffet an additional sum of money. Reality check. The higher the price of the big package, it is always higher than what it costs to receive each service separately. And once you add those you do not even need, the math just does not add up. Lie number 18. Performance air filters on ordinary cars. This filter will increase horsepower, as well as offer better engine protection. In day-to-day driving, in normal conditions, the standard paper air filters are very helpful and provide good protection and airflow. Performance filters do little or no good on typical commuter vehicles and even allow dirt to enter in some cases. Save the $100+ extra and get the regular filters, which are specially designed to fit your cars. Lie number 17. Expensive wiper blades at stores. Your wipers are smearing high-performance wipers that cost you about $89. Replacing the wiper blades would cost between $20 and $30, and no more than 2 minutes to perform the job yourself at any auto parts retailer. There are even YouTube videos that demonstrate to you how to do it. Don't pay a markup and work on something this simple. Save coffee money and learn a skill in more time than ordering coffee saves you $50. Lie number 16. Battery replacement by age alone. It's 3 years out of warranty and soon it will die, leaving you high and dry. The life of a battery does not simply depend on the age. A basic load test will inform you of the amount of life remaining in your battery. With appropriate maintenance, some batteries work between 5 and 7 years. A new battery that costs $150 is not necessary when the old one has a couple of birthdays. Repair what can be before you replace it. Lie number 15. Brake pads must always be replaced in pairs. They tell us that even when only one brake pad on an axle is used, both of them must be replaced. Mechanics encourage this so they can multiply the cost of parts and labor 2 times, even when it is just the one side that wore down because of a definite problem. Although in most scenarios it is advised to change both axle pads in the name of balance, it is not necessary. Uneven wear can be caused by a sticking caliper, alignment problems, or suspension, etc. In this case, both pads would be replaced, yet the underlying cause would still be there, so replacement is money wasted. Most shops will sell a pair without first diagnosing. It is sometimes acceptable to replace only the worn pad, depending on whether the other pad is significantly more or less worn, and whether the thickness and the braking performance are similar. A good store will take measurements and articulate why they should come off, and not just be rattling off policy. Lie number 14. Alignment each tire change. With every new tire, you have to get an alignment done. Removal of alignments may only be necessary when tire wear is uneven or when your car has a tendency to drift to one side. Just changing tires will not put your alignment out of spec. Do not automatically pay $120 to align your car when it does not necessarily have any kind of symptoms that require an alignment. Lie number 13, power steering flush 30,000 miles. The fluid is dark. It should be changed. Power steering systems are closed ones that seldom need attention. Contrary to transmission fluid, power steering fluid may appear dark, yet it may serve up to 100,000 miles and even more. You should only consider a power steering flush when you have actual symptoms, such as whining sounds, difficulty steering, or you see actual leaks. Otherwise, donate the $150. Lie number 12, regular coolant flushing. Dump your coolant every 15,000 miles to ensure it does not overheat. A newer coolant has been developed that should last 100,000 miles or more. The new ones have corrosion preventatives plus other added coolants that now take longer to deteriorate than was the case with the traditional coolants. In the absence of overheating or atypical coolant hues that resemble chocolate milk, you can save the $200 flush bill every 50,000 miles. Lie number 11, you must use dealer oil and filters. The warranty will remain in place only with OEM oil and filters. According to federal law, the opposite is true. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act can defend you against such a scam. Anything that is within the specifications of your manufacturer is acceptable, and it will not cause any claim of voiding the warranty. You can get $20 to $50 off, as much as an oil change using high-quality aftermarket parts that meet the same exacting standards as dealer parts. Lie number 10. Shocks and struts, worn at 50,000 miles. They are dripping and insecure, replaced with $1,200. Quality shocks and struts can normally last 80,000 to 100,000 miles or greater. Unless the bouncing and noise are excessive, you will not do better with anything other than the stock seat. Or can see actual fluid leaking, they're probably fine. Don't let them show you a tiny bit of moisture and call it a dangerous leak. Real shock failure is obvious. Your car will bounce like a trampoline after hitting bumps. Lie number 9. Cleaning the fuel injectors after every 10,000 miles. Cleaning of injectors should be performed regularly. Depending on the brand of high-quality gasoline you use, it is already treated with detergents to clean the injectors. Injector cleaning services merely make sense when you are encountering actual drivability issues, such as sloppy idling and misfiring. Stop wasting $150 every 10,000 miles on a service you do not need, irrespective of the fact that you are a driver. Save that cash on maintenance that does count. Lie number 8. Engine flush additives. Your motor requires a flush to clean sludge and buildups. Newer motor oils now have detergents that are formulated especially to make sure your engine stays clean. Adding cleaners such as drunken foreign chemicals can in fact cause harm to rubber fittings and sealings, even gaskets, which may cause a leakage, plus the repairs will be costly. Flushing an engine may dissolve deposits that were in fact sealing minor leaks. Your $150 can go to other better use and just maintain an oil change with good oil. Without running the risk of damaging unnecessary chemicals, your engine will remain cleaner by default. Lie number 7. Cabin air filter replacement every visit. Your cabin filter is disgusting. You need a new one. It costs $89. On average, the cabin air filters need to be changed at an interval of 15 to 30,000 miles. Here is one trick that some shops pull. They will show you a dirty black filter and claim that that is your filter. Misdirection, it is usually another vehicle, or one they may have set aside to demonstrate to customers. These filters are around $15 to $25 a piece online, and easy to change yourself in 5 minutes. The majority are on the back of the glove box and do not need tools. That is how you will not pay $60 to $100 each time you have to go there to have it serviced. Lie number 6. Battery testing scam. The battery was tested as weak and must be replaced at once at a cost of $180. Very often, cheap and unreliable battery testers are used in most shops and can give false results, most particularly during extreme weather. They will present you with a failed result and say that your battery is about to die and leave you stranded. The fact is that under real starting conditions, a load test should be 15 seconds. A large majority of quick testers merely touch voltage, which varies normally. A battery reading week may have 2 to 3 more years of life remaining in it, particularly in the event of just a cold affecting the reading. The appearance of real battery failure is characterized by such evident signs as decreased cranking, weakness of headlights, or failure to start. After starting your car and the lights bright, the battery is probably all right. A simple cleaning and inspection that should cost $15 is being twisted into a $180 replacement. Always demand a proper load test, and if there are no real symptoms, get a second opinion. Lie number 5. Transmission flush every 30,000 miles. To keep the transmission alive, you have to flush it very often. This is a risky one. Most companies suggest a transmission fluid change of between 60 to 100,000 miles, and they specify that the fluid is changed and not flushed under pressure. High-pressure flushes may even damage internal seals and trigger more problems than it is resolved. When you flush your car at $200 per unnecessary flush, it may cost you up to $400 or $600 throughout the life of your car. Worse still, you may end up ruining your transmission by heeding such bad advice. Lie number 4. Brake pads and rotors always together. Pads and rotors should never be mixed since this will compromise safety. This is what goes on in real life. Brake pads wear quicker than rotors. In many instances, rotors are candidates to be resurfaced or reused, assuming they are within specification as to thickness and do not exhibit deep grooves or warping. Rotors normally have the durability of 2 or even 3 sets of pads. A good shop will measure your rotors with micrometers and be honest with you whether or not your rotors need replacement. Don't let them automatically assume that both will need to change. A $200, $400 per axle you might not have to spend. Lie number 3. Never replace 1 or 2 tires at a time. Your automobile is not safe until you replace all 4 tires. Complete nonsense. In a majority of front-wheel drive cars and rear-wheel drive cars, it is safe enough to replace tires in pairs, either in the front or on the rear. You may only need all 4 when you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, and only in the case of a large difference in the depth of the treads of the tires. They're trying to turn a $300 tire purchase into an $800 to $1,200 expense. That's as much as $600 you don't need to spend. Always ask to see the actual tread depth before agreeing to replace all 4. Lie number 2. The air filter double charge. Here is one dirty trick some mechanics do. They take your engine air filter out, blow some compressed air into it to make it look clean, then put the same old filter back in. When is it time to invoice you? They will bill you as though they have changed it with a new filter. It is impossible to tell unless you physically clean your filter after it has been used. And here's the kicker. A brand new air filter only costs about $20 to $30. But in the shop, you could get ripped off paying $80 to over $100. That's nothing but pure profit without them doing any real work. Reality check. Just because you clean an old filter does not mean that it is actually the same as installing a new one. When the invoice lists a new filter, be sure that you received one. Otherwise, it is just full price on your unchanged, dusty filter. Lie number 1. Premium fuel equals longer engine life. Premium gas will make the engine last longer in the car. It will be smoother and run finely. Here is the information that will blow your mind away. Your car burning premium fuel is costing you money even when your owner's manual does not specifically mention that your car will need to burn premium fuel. The premium gasoline has a higher octane rating, which can only prevent engine knocking on those with higher compression levels. Your best Toyota Camry or Honda Accord. It is a regular gas-only design. Octane rating does not denote better quality, rather, it denotes resistance to pre-ignition. Normal engines are not even able to utilize the properties of premium fuel. You are losing 30 to 60 cents per gallon. Fill up 2 times a week? Fourth Gestapo, part of the Gestapo, meaning given, 120. That is to say, $300 to $600 wasted in a year over nothing. There you have it, the top 20 car maintenance myths that auto mechanics love to perpetuate to take your money away. Which of them deceived you most of all? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't miss this video right here. It exposes even bigger car myths that could be costing you thousands. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.